Souls, hello and welcome to Ursula's Journey. How are you all doing on today? Hope you're doing amazing, feeling great, and praying that your families are doing well also. You all, whew, you see how I'm glistening. Honey, I came in from work and it's like from one step to the next. It's a little warm, but you know what? God is still good, right? I know it's hot everywhere. It's been raining everywhere. Our heat index for this week is supposed to be 109, but hey, God is still good, you all. Yes, He is. I want to show you all and share with you all something that I purchased from Temu. I wanted to get a smart ring. I've been hearing about them and seeing them. I was like, let me try this on Temu because I was looking at other people that purchased them from Target and different places, and then also from TikTok shop. People talking about things, and I looked this up. And as I mentioned, this is from Temu, and you all saw in the beginning of the packaging that I shared about it, how it was actually packaged and sealed up and everything. But this is the actual ring. It's called FERTO, FERTO. Okay. So it was sealed up real well and everything. And I think I didn't pay over, I know over 10, maybe $10 and something for it. But I was like, let me try this first before I actually, not going to pay a lot of money for them. It's going to be honest with you all as it relates to that. So when I unboxed everything with you all, it came just like this here. And I went on and had it on for a couple of days. I wanted to try it first. So when it came in, it was actually sitting like this, you all. I ordered a black one. They had black, gold, and rose gold. And I asked my husband, I said, what side is my ring finger? He said a 9. So I got a 9. And I actually been putting it on this finger because they tell you about the fingers to put it on. It has the instructions, which were very, very simple, you all. No problems with that. And then it has this little actual charger here where you put this inside it and you connect it to a little USB, I guess you can call it, cords for the actual wall socket. But this is the ring. You all can see, if you can, I'm going to put it a little closer, beautiful souls, with my ring light. You all can see inside it there, and it tells you how to set it with your finger. And so right there, I'm going to put this here. It has a little magnet to it. You see that? And so inside it here, let's see, beautiful souls, my eyes. Inside it right there, you see collect within magnet, and you put it inside. So that's it. And it says when it first purchased it, it said go ahead and charge it. But when I charged it, it was already charged, you all. And I was like, okay, so I know it wasn't used because it was sealed pack. It was like a package tape. It was a seal you had to cut loose, like you all saw. I think I showed that part. But anyway, and I'm going to show it probably at the end. Let's do it at the end. I'm going to show that part at the end. You all, I was going to show it at the beginning. I'm going to show it at the end. And so you put it on. It tells you how to put it on. There's a little square in here inside, and I was trying to determine where is it. So I know there are some little dots there, you all. And I put it on. I'm in my office, beautiful souls, and the lighting is just, and by me just coming outside. So I put it there. Okay, the little dots there, some little dots above it and whatever. This little faded square. So this is how I wear it, you all. And it has been amazing. So I'm on my phone that I have it on. It'll tell you how to go and download with the barcode. So I did do the barcode. I think I barcoded. Yes, I did the barcode there, you all. So when you barcode it, it's actually going to connect your app to your phone. And it went right to, I went to my Bluetooth, and it had actually, I think it was selfie app. Clicked on it. No problems, no problems. I'm able to check my pressure, my stress level, my heart rate, my sleep pattern, and let's see, and there was one more, beautiful souls. Oh, your oxygen. Yes, your oxygen. So I compared it to, y'all looking at me, I'm like, my hair, oh my God, this heat is killing me. So I compared it to my blood pressure, what I have. And so everything has been fine. And I try to look and see about my stress level, different things. I went to work today. I'm like, yeah, it went up a little bit. I could tell or what have you, but I have not had any trouble with it. And what it does is say it over a period of time, it's going to be checking your pressure which is the green light you'll see flickering throughout the time, and the heart rate, no, the oxygen, I'm sorry, the oxygen will be flickering red. But whenever you open up your app and you touch on whichever one, let's say for instance, you want to touch on your actual blood pressure. You go in and touch it, and then you'll see it green light, just flicker, flicker. And I had my hand down. My husband said, "What is that?" And I showed him the green light. But I had it on, I think I may have got it Thursday or Friday, so I worked a couple of days. No problem with it. They said, as far as people that actually had comments and rated that about water resistance, one time I went, I said, "Ooh," and I washed my hands. I took it off and dried it. No problem. No problem. But I'm not putting my hands in water, right? But anyway, beautiful souls, this is the black one, and I'm wearing on this finger. Excuse my nails, you all. For those that know, I work in the education arena. I'm 12 months, so I'm there all summer. Nails off and all that, but hey, everything be back together soon because school will be in a minute, you all. So that's how it is, and I love it. I sleep in it and what have you, and then it has your sleep pattern, let you know you have a deep sleep, a night's light sleep, or whatever, and how many times you woke up. It has that, and I actually was looking at reviews and listening to people, and they're telling the truth. This has been really great, and I have been enjoying it. No problems. And also on the back of it, it has the QR code as well. You can scan. And it's really, I have not had any trouble with anything because I'm not a person that is, just, I can tell my body. I can tell my pressure hurt. If I wake up, my head hurt a certain way or whatever, I know my pressure's up. I'm a person that pays attention to swelling and different things. Like today, I'm like, it's a little tighter, but I can tell right now I'm doing a little swelling. When I get real tired, I do that. I know everybody's body is different, but I do that. But once again, this is the FERTO, FERTO Smart Ring from the Temu, you all, and it has different ones on there. I am excited about it. I'm pleased. I love it, you all. It has a little shiny, very lightweight, nothing heavy, and the reviews were great. They have several there, but the reviews were great. So I'm grateful that I got it, and I thank God for just looking, because I'm going to tell you something. People were posting and saying how they purchased one with the Apple and all these things and problems they had them. One person said they went to Target, and I'm not putting other companies down, most definitely not. But I'm just talking about what they share, because I was like, well, sure, I'm not going to pay a lot. I'm just that type of person. I'm not going to pay a lot for these things. And so someone said they went to Target and Walmart and it just stopped working and worked well. But I haven't had any trouble with this, you all. So I'm excited about using it further. And somebody was like, let me know. And I'm the type of person, even with phones, I have a Samsung Pixel but I told them I was using for my radio show podcast, my content, many different things. And it does fine. Where I said some people it was like, you have an Android? I'm like, yeah, but they don't do anything but text and call or text. But I do so many things on my phone. My pictures are clear. Everything is done. But this Samsung Pixel I got last year is amazing. I'm particular about what I purchase. That's me. I don't feel I need to pay a lot for anything. Plus, our family is not an iPhone person. Our son has one. It's so funny. He's been moved out for 2 years. He was like, Mama, I need to hurry up and get these phones paid off last year. He said, because he used to upgrade, not no more since he's out and got his own stuff, So that's smart. But anyway, you all, I am particular about what I buy. I talk about budgeting and different things, but I'm not going to lack. I like nice things now. Don't get me wrong. I like nice things. I'm going to have nice things, but I'm particular and make sure I'm not going to just go overexert with things, right? So anyway, this is the actual FERTO, FERTO Smart Ring, you all. Leave a message in the comments of anything you want to know about, you all, and I'll probably eventually do a short, probably with my other phone to show you all when I open up the app how it blinks and all of that and what it does. But anyway, I'm pleased with it, you all. I'm enjoying it. So anyway, beautiful soul, I just wanted to share that quick moment with you about this smart ring, how excited I am about it, and haven't had no trouble so far. And people that, as I mentioned in the reviews, and I got it from Temu, and once again, it's the FERTO. And, when you go on Temu, there are so many other rings there. But I tell people, I say, those are vendors. So everywhere are vendors, everything, y'all know, come from China. So there are different vendors that are everywhere. So even though if you may purchase it from another site or whatever, it's still those same vendors. Their price is just going to be different. They're going to up the price. But anyway, I just want to share with you all how excited I am about that. But I said in the beginning, but at the end, I'm going to show you all where I open it up and tried it on and all of that. So I'll show that on the end. So let me know, you all. Comment if you have a ring, if you've purchased this, if you have a smart ring, how you're enjoying it, what you feel about it. And like I said, I pay attention to my body beyond this, but this gives me an idea to say, okay, let me go to get my pressure cup out, even though I have my pressure cup with me, but it's still good to know I can check my oxygen. And when I go back to the doctor, I'm going to compare my sleep pattern, and some things I'm comparing. So it's good to know. I'm not a fanatic, always checking. I don't do that. I was testing my stress level. I can feel and tell it was true. My heart rate, I can tell and feel it's true because I have mitral valve prolapse. So I know my body and I know things. So anyway, beautiful souls, I just wanted to come in and share with you all. So anyway, leave your comments. Let me know. Okay. And thank you all so much for coming in. And just let me know once again how you feel about this, you all. Have a great day now. Bye-bye. Okay, beautiful souls. I purchased a smart ring off of Temu, which is a FERTO ring. I am going to go ahead and charge it up, and I'll come back and show you a little bit more about it, but let's go ahead and see what's in the box. Okay, as you can see, the box is sealed with plastic, which is great. So that means that it's new. So let's go ahead and see what's in here, you all. Okay, this is it. It's black. And let's see, I ordered a 9. I asked my husband, so what's my ring size? He said 9. So I really want to wear it. I'm trying to hold my phone, beautiful souls. I want to wear it on this finger here, and it fits perfect. May not look like it, but it fits great. So it's black, the head gold and silver. And let's see what else is in here, beautiful souls. Let's see if I can do this. I have my stand set up. I'm trying to, hold on one second, you all. Okay, inside the box is the actual charger for it. You have to have the little other part, like for anything that you buy now. And there's the manual. And so this is the ring. That's the inside of it. The reviews were great. I had heard people even say that once they purchased by Apple and all that were not this good. But we all know that this came from the local warehouse, you all. So we know that those are vendors. People that are ordering things are ordering from China for years, forever, as we all know. And those are the vendors where things are coming from. People are just jocking the price. So I'm going to go ahead and charge it up, and we're going to see what's going on, you all, okay? And excuse my nails. It's summertime. They're resting. But I'll be back and show you all once it's finished charging and just do some calculations as it relates to my pressure cup and this, you all. But it's very lightweight. So I'll be back soon and share with you all how it's going.